It's Monday, December 9th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And even though it's putting more downward pressure on the Canadian dollar, which has now slipped below 71 cents US, most analysts are expecting the Bank of Canada's final interest rate cut to be a big one. Those in the know anticipating the central bank rate will tumble a half a point on Wednesday to 3.25%. Also on Thursday of this week, StatsCan will be coming out with its latest snapshot of personal debt with the release of the national third quarter balance sheet. Well, don't be surprised if this is the week the federal government finally moves on the postal strike. Cup W describing Canada Post's latest settlement offer as extremely disappointing, suggesting that the latest pitch has actually pushed the two sides further away from a deal. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter, and it's all in one place. One of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, updated Monday through Friday and heard around the world on X, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, including Spotify and Apple. Canada's Business Beat. The more you listen, the more you know. Several questions, but few answers still outstanding in connection with the Canadian Western Bank's decision not to release its fourth quarter earnings this past Friday. CWB officials only confirming that the situation is related to a legal action. A troubling health report out with economic implications. The Canadian Cancer Society suggesting that by 2034, the provinces and territorial governments will all be spending $37.4 billion a year on cancer treatments from $30.2 billion this year. And on the Business Beat radar for this week, well-known Toronto-based retailer Roots will have third quarter earnings on Wednesday. Sobeys parent Empire, along with airline and tour operator Transat, will release quarterly results on Thursday. And Friday is going to be a busy one for StatsCan with the latest vehicle sales, manufacturing, and wholesale trade data coming out. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.